Welcome back to the channel, guys. So on the last episode you saw me do an unboxing on the brand new 85 litre upright Adventure Kings fridge. We discovered it's the same fridge from the more expensive Bush company. Today we're going to do an installation and I'm going to make my own custom fridge surround. I'll walk you through the steps that I take to achieve such an accomplishment. Check it out. Alright guys, here we have all the components that I'm going to use to build this fridge surround. We've got some sheet aluminium that I had pre-cut at a local aluminium joint. It came in 600 by 1200 and I paid $89 for it. Some aluminium angle, some drawer slides and some hardware. Righto, let's get started. Alright, progression, update. Here I have some 50-50 aluminium angle on a heavy duty fridge slide or drawer slide. So the idea is, before I had a chest fridge and combined weight with the chest fridge and the slide was about 90 kilos. Now I wanted to save some weight, I'm very close to GVM, so the solution was an upright. But the problem was I had this massive cavity to fit an upright. Very simple. Obviously I can push the upright all the way to the back, problem solved. Or is it? My wife is quite short, very little, and she wouldn't be able to reach in to get stuff out of the fridge. Hence the need for the slides. So we'll mount the fridge on the slide, that way when she needs it, she can pull it forward and gain access to the fridge. The other good thing about it is all this area here at the front can be used for more storage and that kind of thing. So we've got the slides done. Now we have to mount the fridge to the slides. Okay, I've managed to mount the fridge onto those drawer slides. Let me tell you, what a mission. It was not easy to do, but it is in. As I said, we have all this room at the front that is free. Pull the levers and out comes the fridge. Nice and simple. When I'm putting them away, push him back in and lock him away. The next thing we have to do is build the surround. For the surround, I've got these sheets of aluminium that I mentioned before that I had pre-cut. One will be the roof. He will sit up there like that. And this one will form the wall. So you get a bit of an idea on how it will go together. Just attach it all together and see how we go. Alrighty, here we have the finished components of my fridge surround. The one here on the left, that will be the roof or the lid. The holes are for the cooling fins on the top of the fridge so heat can escape. This one here on the right, that is the wall. Another bit of angle in the middle will join them together, and the little bit of angle on the side there that will form a shelf. So I'll put it all together and you guys will see what it looks like. The finished result. There's those holes to cool the top of the fridge. And the beginnings of a shelf. Put it all in and see how it looks. Alrighty, and the job is finished. Check it out. How good is that? Close it back up. And that is a finished job. I'm really happy with this, hey. What I've done beside is I put a little shelf there, and this has given me a great space to store my chairs. Before, they were all the way up there and they were quite difficult to get in and out. But now, very simple. I bolted a little shelf in, which has given me a bit more storage. And up here, you can see those cooling holes that we drilled in with the hole saw. Now there's about 100 mil behind the fridge to give it adequate cooling, and this panel here is all vented all the way down. So what did it cost? Alright, there was $80 in the fridge slides, or in the drawer slides. There was $36 in the big aluminium angle 50 by 50 by 3mm. There was about $10 in the 20 by 21mm smaller angle, and let's call it 10 bucks in nuts and bolts. Now the sheet of aluminium that I used was 600 by 1200 that I had pre-cut. That cost about $89 from memory. So there you go, that's it for well under $200. Now you could do it for even cheaper again if you don't want to put it on those slides. As far as complexity, super simple. Guys, give it a go at home. You don't even have to use nuts and bolts. You got a few clamps. You can even use some sealant or some urethane, and you can glue the panels together with the aluminium angle. Just measure it up, get it cut to size, cut it at home, glue it together, clamp it all down, and there you have a fully functioning upright fridge surround. Alright guys, if you like the video, please remember, like, subscribe, leave a comment. Really helps the channel out. You guys are legends. Cheers.